In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp views. ClickUp views help you look at the same work in different ways, depending on what you need. For example, you might want a simple list for day-to-day task management, a board for tracking progress visually, or a calendar to plan deadlines. The good news is that setting up and using views is very straightforward. To begin, open ClickUp and go to the space folder or list where you want to use a view. This is important because views are created inside a specific location, so you'll want to make sure you're in the right area before you continue. At the top of the page, click the plus view button. This is where you create a new way to display your tasks and project information. Next, choose the type of view you want to use. ClickUp offers several options, including list, board, calendar, table, Gantt, and timeline. Each one is designed for a different style of planning and organization, so choose the format that best matches how you want to work. After selecting the view type, enter a name for your view. Give it a clear and recognizable name so it's easy to find later, especially if you plan to create multiple views for the same project. Then, set the sharing and visibility permissions for the view. This allows you to control who can access it and whether it should stay private or be available to others in your workspace. Once that's done, click Create View. Your new view will open and be ready for customization. Now you can start refining what appears inside the view. Use the filter option to control which tasks are shown. This is helpful if you only want to see tasks that match certain conditions, such as specific statuses, dates, or assignments. Click Group to organize tasks in a more structured way. You can group them by status, assignee, priority, or another available field, depending on how you want the information arranged. After that, use Sort to place tasks in the order you need. This can make the view easier to scan and helps highlight what matters most. Open Customize to choose the fields, columns, and task details you want displayed. This lets you tailor the view so you only see the information that's relevant to your workflow. You can also drag tasks or columns to rearrange items directly inside the view. This makes it easy to adjust the layout visually without starting over. Finally, click another view tab whenever you want to switch between the views you've created. That way you can move between different perspectives of the same work without changing the tasks themselves. Thanks for watching.